Dude told me to change his alternator. Come to find out that alternator good. His wire was broke at the battery, so the power was not leaving the alternator to get back to the battery. When I tested the alternator, it was throwing crazy, stupid voltages like 20 volts, 28 volts. So I thought it was bad. When I went to the alternator shop, the man told me when the computer will tell the alternator to charge because it's not seeing no value from the battery, because the alternator basically got unhooked from the battery. So the computer told the alternator to work extra hard to charge this battery that is not even hooked to. So once I reconfirm that connection and hook the wire back up to the battery and the alternator, they should work like they're supposed to. And this is how we do it at CD Sean's shop. You dig? Oh boy. E40 just in my head right now. I don't know why.